Let's take a look at how you can use round up and round down function in Google Sheets. So let's put up a number, something like, let's say 72416 or something like that. You can keep adding the number, make it larger if you want to, right? And you can then put up center, same with all of these, right? Now the next thing, I want to round this number up to three decimal places. So I will use equals to, then round, and then I will mention the cell which is A2, and I will also mention up to the places which is 3 decimal places, right? If I hit enter, it should show me up to 3, right? Now similarly, let's say if I use round and then A2 up to 2 decimal places, it should do that as well, right? Now let's see if we can get round A2 up to 1, right? And there we have. There is also option to do the same for 0 and minus. So starting with 0, let's see what it shows. It will go to the highest value from that, because we have 0.7, so anything above 5 would go to the nearest higher value, anything below 5 go nearest lowest value, 13, right? So we'll go through those examples as well, right? Now let's try and round it for, let's say, round A2 and then -1, and let's hit enter, and we'll find the nearest 10th value for that particular number, right? Same we can do for, let's see, -2. So round A2 -2, hit enter, go to the nearest 100th value. There is also nearest 1000th value with -3, so round A2 -3, and we hit enter, will go to 0, right? Now similarly we can also do round up, right? So we use equals to round up, right? Here we can pass on A2, try and round up to 3 decimal places, so it will take the last number into the further digit, which is 5. Similarly, round up for A2 up to 2 decimal places, it will make it 73 out of 724. Let's try and do this for A2 up to 1 decimal place. It will do 114.8, right? Now we can also do that for 0. It should round up to, let's see, 115 hopefully, right? And there you go, right? Similarly we can keep rounding up with passing on A2 -1, and it will take you to the highest round up value for that, right? Similarly, round up A2 -2 will take you to the highest value. Similarly, we can do this till -3, and it will hopefully take us to higher value. So A2 -3, let's see, it will take you to 1000, which is reasonable. Now we have seen round up, we can also round down. So let's see where this will take us, right? So round down A2, and let's start from 3rd decimal place. It will take you to number as is, it won't change much, right? Similarly, if we do round down to A2 up to 2 decimal places, right? Let's see, and notice that it will do the same output like round, right? Then round down a2 up to one decimal place, it will do again same output like round down, right? So now it should give you the a2 0, where it should have to do the value nearest to 10 100 from this point onwards for our a2 value. So we have round down close to 114, right? So round down for say -1, sorry, round down, and here a2 and -1 should take you to the 110 nearest 10, right? So next we can go for -2, and it will take you to 100. Kind of similar behavior to round function. So round down -3, that's -3, but has to operate against a2 column. So let's see, it will be showing similar output like our round function. So we have seen round, round up, round down function in Google Sheets.